When I changed the paint on this little table, the accessories needed updated. Added in here. I might change that lampshade. Don't know, and by change I mean take it off, just have the wire frame and then put some fabric on it. I don't know, and maybe that burgundy holder there for the remotes is too much against it. I don't know. Okay, now that I have my table painted, I decided to do a little something with this shade. It's just too dark. The burgundy looks just too harsh with the new color of the table. So I've gone to the dollar store and picked up some jute twine, and my plan is to wrap it around the frame. I may leave the white in here. I'll take off the red and see if I can leave the white in there, and then just wrap it around. And with the size of the shade, you can see it's going to take me a while, but I'm going to try that. And you know, if I don't like it, it's $2. I think I'll only need one of those packages that I got two just in case. And I have some lace, a lace tablecloth that I might use instead. I did that with a lampshade upstairs, but I thought I'd try something different here first. This is coming off easily. Hardly glued down at all. Isn't that interesting? Look at that. It just strips right off. Now it's a little dark for you to see, but also hard to do this one-handed since I'm holding the phone instead of using some kind of holder. But that'll be fun. I'm going to get all this off and we'll see what it looks like. Well, I have started deconstructing this shade. I really like the look of this angle here, and the white just doesn't flush up to it. So I'm not certain if maybe the twine will pull it in. I don't know. Otherwise I might take it off because I really like that look, and I don't know if I'm going to get it if I leave that on there. But what I'm doing is just trimming along as close as I can to the edge with these tiny little scissors. They're working better than the large ones. You can see how they put this together was they brought the white up over the burgundy and then they had trimmed it out so that it looked nice. Guess which one is on there? I'll continue and then decide what to do about the jute. Well, I did a little strip. It'll take a little while, actually, and I can maybe put a little tie, you know, in a couple places to bring it down or weave something through. But right now it's just doing that. Don't know that I like this underneath it. I don't know. I'll have to play with it and then decide, but I think I'm going to be taking this off. The nice thing about this, though, is when the light is on, it gives a nice bright background. I think it'll be okay without. I don't know. I've removed the inner layer, and now it looks like it's going to lay a little better, but I am going to fix the tension on it now that you don't have that inner layer. Now it's kind of loose, so I'm going to fix the tension on that and then show you the progress as I go along. Well, I'm liking this look. It's a little bit different. I did, however, use all 6 rolls of the jute, and that's all I have left to do. So I'll need to go back to the dollar store. And this makeover will end up costing $3 instead of $2, but I'm excited to see it done. Okay, so the lampshade makeover is complete. I used jute. The little rolls come 3 in a package, so 3 for $1, and I used almost 7 of them. So I opened up the 3rd package, so this is a $3 makeover, and I just wrapped it from front to back, so it goes all the way in, as you can see, and it's pretty fuzzy, so I trimmed off all the hairs that were too long, and especially on the inside. Even though we use an LED bulb that doesn't get hot, I just wanted to make sure that it didn't get hot. Let me see if I can turn this on for us. So that's the way it looks. I am going to go ahead and paint that remote holder. I think it's just the burgundy is just too garish maybe against the teal. And I was wondering if maybe, I don't know what you guys think, maybe I should add, oh, that's not going to show, just a moment. Maybe I should add a little bit of this back on along the bottom. I'll pin that on here. Okay, I have the ribbon pinned on the bottom of the lampshade there. And actually with it, the remote holder doesn't look too far out of place. Okay, so 2 questions. Do I glue this ribbon on and leave the remote holder? Do I leave it just plain without the ribbon and paint the remote holder? I don't know. Well, hubby preferred the lampshade without the trim, so I ended up painting the TV remote holder a classic teal, and I'm just loving the look. Head on over to my perpetual project for step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching.